Okay, good evening, guys. We're back at the Good Life Fitness Center. Good thing I start early a little bit, so I went straight from here because this gym facility is not too far from my place. So every time I work a little bit earlier, up earlier, I go straight from here. Tonight, I'm gonna show it to you the most efficient and easiest ab routine or core. We'll see probably couple set each. Let's go cracking. Okay guys, this is the one equipment right here. The other one right here too. In this one you can put weight at the back. It's up to you what weight, how much weight you got, and adjust the seat if you're comfortable with. So we'll start from that one, guys. Six, seven, eight, nine, 10. It's non-stop, guys. So, once it done, don't forget to relax 30 to 90 seconds, guys. And if you go to the gym, you don't have a clue what equipment you got, just ask the trainer, guys. It help you a lot. And if you do abs like this, the easiest routine, don't mix up with any routine. Focus in this routine because and being seen lately, they do abs and after that they jump into that lat pull down, dumbbell or whatever. Don't do that. You don't have a good result. Just focus on one thing, guys. If you do abs, do abs. Okay. Last one. It's non-stop here, guys. Non-stop. Last set, guys, last set. Holy smoke, guys. That's a rapid 2H set. Okay. Whew, catching my break, guys. Okay. Probably that's it for the evening. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.